traditional secondary belt cleaners are the most important component of a wash box. You can't just spray that water on the belt and expect it to rinse off. You've got to scrape inside that belt as well. And that scraping follows the same secondary principles that we've always talked about. Should be at a non aggressive angle, should be tungsten carbide, and should be tensioned properly, should have a hold down roll. All those traditional secondary concepts are applicable when cleaning inside of this wash box. Wash box should also include those high pressure water spray bars that we talked about. You should, in most cases, have some sort of water filtration. Typically, 10 mesh is sufficient. Number four, we do want to have a return roll, traditional return roll included in the wash box. And you can see just the leading edge of that included return roll. Now, the reason for that return roll is that you want to support the belt as it enters that box. You don't want that belt riding on the framework or the steel of that box. So if you're looking at um, wash boxes, you want to make sure that you select a wash box that has a return roller included. Most do, ours do, but there might be some out there that don't. Number five, you've got to have those hold down rolls to work in conjunction with your secondary. Number six, you want to make sure that you have inspection doors so workers, when locked out and tagged out, can access the inside of that box to maintain those belt scrapers. Those belt scrapers are, again, susceptible to the problems of any secondary cleaner. My concern is maintenance. If they're not maintained, they're not going to perform. So you've got to make sure that this wash box includes good access so workers, when locked out and tagged out, can get in there and inspect the blades and change out those secondary blades as needed. And then finally, number seven, they should include a squeegee cleaner like what you see here. Just like a slab of rubber that was really flexible at getting you to squeegee water off of a shop floor, this blade with its flexibility will squeegee that water off of the belt, having that belt exit clean and dry.